Gisma's application process is simple and straightforward. Applying is quick and easy with this step-by-step guidance. Step 1. Explore your course. Courses include Business Management and Marketing, Data Science, AI and Digital Business. Step 2. Apply online. Step 3. Once you have submitted your application and provided all necessary documents, our admissions team will review it. You can then expect to receive your offer letter within 24 hours. Congratulations! You're officially on your way to becoming a Gisma student. Next up, we'll help you sort your paperwork, apply for your visa, and get everything ready. Step 4. Secure your place at Gisma and don't miss out by submitting any necessary documents, making your program deposit, and signing your agreements. The time it takes to complete these steps depends on your individual pace. Some students get it all done very quickly. For EU students, that's it. You can jump to step 9 and 10 and prepare for your arrival at Gisma for orientation week. For non-EU students, the following additional steps will need to be completed before you can start your program. Step 5. Contact Embassy. Step 6. Prepare necessary documents. Step 7. Attend interview. Step 8. Receive your visa. Visa secured. You're all set. Now it's time to pack your bags and get ready for your Gisma journey. Step 9. Search for accommodation. Step 10. Fly to Germany. Start your application today.